guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a wig review slash wig installation. I got this new hair and I just wanted to share with you guys, show you guys what I got, how I got here, and let you guys know if the hair is worth it or if you don't need to waste your coins on it. Okay, so this hair is from Ready Wig and it comes in this fabulous box. The box pretty much came with a small spray bottle, which I did not use, and then it came with a pack of 2 wig caps, and then of course the hair, right? So details of the hair. This hair is 13 by 6. It's a lace frontal wig. It's actually a 360 wig. I should probably do a video of me styling the 360 wig. If you guys want that video, you guys let me know in the comments section. I would love to do that. That's actually a good idea. The hair is about 22 inches long. The hair comes pre-plucked. I don't know the exact amount I paid because it was a lot of back and forth. I wanted the 24 inches at first. They were out of stock, so I got the 22 inches. I got a refund for that, and then I didn't like the color when it came, and then I got a refund for that. We'll get into all of that later on in the video. I pretty much ended up paying about 270 US. Not sure what that converts to Canadian. I'll say about 350, but I could be wrong. I usually get my hair from AliExpress or OMG Hair Hair. I love OMG Hair Hair, but I wanted to try Ready Wig again because I got a synthetic hair from them last year, and guys, when I tell you this synthetic hair still looks brand new and you can't even tell that it's synthetic. I'm serious. They have like really good quality hair, so I thought, why not just purchase human hair from them? If the synthetic hair is that good, then the human hair must be banging, right? So yeah, we had a few bumps on the way, but all in all, I love it. So let's just get into the video. I'm gonna show you guys how I install the hair. I'm also gonna go into the pros and the cons towards the end of the video. If you're interested in this hair or how we got to this point, make sure to keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if you love the hair. Let me know if you like the color. Just leave something down, anything. I'd really appreciate it. And if you're all subscribed, let's just jump into the video. I'm gonna start by putting on my wig cap. This one came with the wig. It's just a 2-piece wig cap in nude. I kind of like the nude brown ones, but it's okay. We're just gonna use this. To glue down the lace, I'm gonna be using my Got to Be glue gel, and I also use the Got to Be glued free spray as well. I'm just gonna quickly apply the gel first. I don't cut my wig cap or do anything crazy fancy. No, I am lazy, so no. Okay, I'm gonna apply a tiny bit of foundation to the front areas of the wig cap, and I'm just using my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation shade 356. I think that made a whole lot of sense to actually apply the foundation first before the glue, but I'm all over the place, but it's okay. It's nothing I can't fix, right? Okay, I'm just going to show you guys what the wig looks like on the inside first before I install it. This wig came with the knots already bleached, so there's nothing to worry about. And it comes with a comb at the back, adjustable straps on the inside. It also has a couple combs at the side as well. Before I attempt to glue down the wig, I'm just going to go in with a blow dryer. I'm just going to make sure the glue is tacky enough. I pretty much just put on my blow dryer for a couple minutes just on cool. I like to go in with the freeze spray. I think I'm out. Oh crap. Oh yeah, I guess not. Yeah, I'm out of the freeze spray. So yeah, we're just gonna use the glue itself today. Now I'm gonna place the wig properly. I'm just gonna go in again with the blow dryer. I'm just gonna press the wig down and blow dry until it's nice and stiff or nice and glued down. Okay, next I'm gonna go ahead and chop off that lace front. Now this edge has all the excess lace, so I'm gonna chop off the excess. Gets a little tricky, but okay, My other tank top gave up on me, guys, so I had to change mid-video. I'm sorry. The wig is secure. I really love how it feels, like the back. I have a nice grip. It's not fitted too tight. It's not fitted too loose. It is just right. Now I'm gonna curl the hair, but before I do, I also would love to show you guys what it looks like straight. I think it's gonna look really good. I'm gonna first go in with my argan oil from Marc. Hey. Just gonna use a little bit and rub right through the hair. Smells so good. Okay, for heat protection, I'm gonna be using this hair protection spray from Tresemme. Now before I go in with a straightener, I'm just gonna quickly run my hot comb, just run it through the hair. It looks so beautiful. I did a side part just because I feel like a side part flatters my face more. I'm trying to avoid middle parts as much as possible, but I'm just going to show you guys what a middle part looks like. I think I misspoke. I think the middle part actually looks very good. I've been thinking middle parts are not my thing, but maybe it's too soon to rule it out. I'm just gonna use a styling mousse. This one's from Marc. I'm gonna leave all the products in the description box. So just a tiny bit of mousse. Just gonna sit that down. So the middle part looks good. This hair is about 22 inches long. I just really love this hair. My only problem is it doesn't quite feel like it's 180 density. I wish it had a whole lot more volume. Anyways, we're gonna get to the pros and the cons later on. So I'm just gonna cut off the excess hair on the side. I'm just gonna be using the shaving stick or shaving razor. I just use that to cut off all the extra lace on the sides and all the hairs flying out. I don't necessarily need that. Now this hair comes already pre-plucked. I feel like it could have been plucked a little bit more, but it looks good. I'm not gonna bother about it. I feel like when it comes to lace fronts, the hair reduces over time anyways in front, so I don't necessarily go crazy when it comes to pre-plucking my hair. I'm just gonna leave it as is, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs. To lay down the baby hairs, I'm gonna be using my Echo Styler gel or my Echo Styling gel, and I'm also gonna be using a little bit of the Got To Be Glued. Before I do that, it just seems quite stiff here on the edges just because of the glue, so I'm just gonna go in with a toner. You can use alcohol if you'd like, but I like to just use a toner. This one's from Mario Badescu, just a little bit, and I'm just gonna dab that area. And if you're using Got To Be Glue, this loosens up the lace a little bit in the front, but that's okay. We're still gonna glue everything back down, so you don't have to worry about it. I'm just gonna get some baby hairs out from the front here. I'm just gonna cut them shorter. And I'm just gonna mix a little bit of the Got To Be Glue and the Echo Styling gel. This just gives me, I think, a more realistic hold. I find that the Got To Be Glue just on its own just makes my baby hairs look too pressed on, too dry. I think that looks good. I'm just gonna stop there with that. Baby hairs are pretty much a hit or a miss for me, so whenever I can get something that resembles something that's, you know, presentable, I just kind of stop there. I'm just gonna tie it down again just one last time. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like straightened with baby hairs. I'm gonna quickly curl the hair, and I think that should be it for this, you know, style. And it's taken so long. Okay, some hairspray. So after curling the hair and applying some hairspray, the hair seems to be a lot fuller. I can kind of now believe that it's 180% density. So yeah, I don't think I have any complaints anymore. I feel like my complaints have been put away. Let's get into the pros and the cons of the hair. First pro, this hair is soft, like silky soft. Run your hands through it, no obstruction, kind of soft. The hair came with a nice shine, not too shiny, you know, not dull. It just has a nice natural shine to it, which I love. I love the fact that the hair came pre-plucked. The part is actually very believable, and I haven't even applied any concealer. That reminds me, I'm just gonna apply a tad bit of concealer just to the part. The hairline, the knots, they all seem very pretty, realistic, even without the concealer. The quality of the hair is amazing. Another pro is that the hair doesn't shed as much. This is all the shedding that I have got all through the day. I pretty much dyed this hair today, washed it, conditioned it, put in the blow dryer, styled it for you guys, and this is all that I got. So if you ask me, I'll say this is minimal shedding, especially compared to all the AliExpress hairs that I've been getting in the last couple years. This I can take. The only con I would say there is the color. I was expecting some red hot fiery wig, and when they sent it to me, guys, it was a very confusing shade of pink. Like, I wasn't sure if it was pink or if it was red. I had to contact the supplier and, you know, let him know the color was not what was advertised. I'm gonna leave it on the screen, show you guys what was advertised, the reason I bought the hair, and what I received. They were just two different things. But anyways, they were kind enough to refund me $30 US. And yeah, I used that money, I guess some part of it, to purchase some dye. I ended up dyeing the hair. I used this one from Garnier. It's number 462. The name is Tempting Raspberry. Oh. Anyways, yeah, so I had to dye it. I used 2 packs of dye. The red I wanted was kind of like what I'm wearing today. I wanted like really hot, really vibrant, really like in your face, but I'll take this. This looks good. What else did I miss? I guess another pro was shipping and communication. The seller was very, very honest with me. He let me know, oh, it could take 7 to 10 business days to get the hair. And I ended up even getting the hair way before the 7 to 10 business days. So yeah, I was impressed by that. The communication, customer service, I love that, because I complained a lot. I felt like it was a whole lot of back and forth between me and the supplier, but he or she, I'm not sure what was communicating with. They were so nice. They addressed all my concerns. I was a satisfied customer. I really love the hair. I'm really glad I purchased it. The hair is a little bit pricey, like I said earlier, but honey, it's worth it. I have spent so much money on AliExpress and I keep getting garbage. I'm not sure how you guys get good hair from AliExpress, but until I find a good AliExpress vendor, I am done for now. I'm not going back to AliExpress. So that's it, guys, for this video. I really appreciate you watching this video. If you enjoyed this wig transformation, what we're gonna call it, or this wig installation or wig review, please make sure to give this video a like. Don't forget to leave all your comments in the comment section. Let me know if you like this color, or if you like the hair, or if you're not just feeling it at all. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. And that's it, guys. I will catch you in my next video. Stay safe, stay happy, yeah, stay good, stay blessed. Okay, bye.